Hi everyone, welcome to this project kickoff meeting. My name is Ying and I'm the project manager for this new project. Today I'm very excited to share with you the new project from the YouTube TV team, which is the launch of international channels on YouTube TV. Here is, first of all, I'd like to introduce myself to you. Here is my contact information. If you have any questions about this project, please feel free to send me an email or give me a call at this number. My only responsibility right now is just to focus on this project. So I'm available anytime to answer any questions that you have. A little bit of myself. My current position is project manager at YouTube TV Development Group. Over the past few years, I've worked on new product development projects for YouTube TV, YouTube Mobile, and YouTube Live. And I'm very excited to start this new project with the whole team. Next is the agenda for today's meeting. I would like to introduce you the background of this project, and I will list the key deliverables from this project and their milestone schedule. I would also like to address the team structure for this project and the established communication plan. In the end, after the presentation, I'll stick around for another 20-30 minutes, so please feel free to ask me any questions that come up during this meeting. First, moving on to project introduction. So YouTube is a very successful online video streaming website. The YouTube website allows users to upload videos and share them, stream them at any time, and all these videos were uploaded by our competitors. So we're very competitive in that market, but we really just recently entered the live stream TV market. And YouTube TV is facing strong competition from older players like Hulu Live TV, Apple TV, and Sling Television. So all of our competitors have already established good partnerships with various domestic networks. And in order for YouTube TV to stand out, we really need product differentiation. Here is a summary of the over 50 networks that we have partnered with domestically. We offer cable-free live TV through our partners, and we offer the membership for $40 a month, which is more expensive than some of our competitors. And from our previous marketing research, we realized that YouTube is actively used in 87 countries and in 76 languages. So we should be expecting a very large group of international users. And I think a good direction for us to expand our market is to include international channels in our TV service so that we can attract large groups of international users. Here are some examples of our targeted international partners. We're looking at China, Japan, Korea, India in the Asia region, and France, Russia, and Europe region. These are really just some examples, and our business development team is going to be talking with these international partners and going over the feasibility of establishing contracts with them. And we are also looking at more countries, more channel providers. Besides what's on this list. Here is a list of key project deliverables. First, we're going to perform market research for 4 to 6 weeks. Throughout the course of market research, our marketing team will conduct user analysis based on video streaming history of current YouTube users. We will identify the preferred language and any specific international channels that they frequently watch, and the marketing team will give us a report with a list of potential international channels that would attract large groups of users. And in the same time, our business development team is going to contact targeted international live TV providers about the feasibility of establishing a license contract. There are definitely restrictions in certain regions, and our business development team will negotiate terms and conditions of the contract with the help of our local YouTube team in each country. And hopefully we get to establish exclusive contract with these international TV providers, so we can so that can place us in a strong position facing our competitors. And after the market research and partner contract, the risk team will perform benefit versus cost analysis. We'll estimate project benefit both quantitatively and qualitatively based on market research results, and we'll also estimate the project cost in detail with supported information from contacting our international partners. The risk team will prepare a comparison report of benefit versus cost. Once that report shows positive result, our software engineering team will go ahead and move into technical work of this project, which is channel integration. Once channel integration is done, we will do a battle run with a small group of users, and we'll include a questionnaire after each live streaming for customer feedbacks. Our marketing team will further analyze these feedbacks and improve the product based on customer inputs. This is this project milestone schedule, and this is established based on previous project experience that I have, and this project schedule already includes buffers in it. So marketing, research, and partner contract can run in parallel and can take as long as 12 weeks, and then benefit and cost analysis take as long as 4 weeks. Channel integration will take as long as 12 weeks, and beta run take as long as 8 weeks. Once beta run is successful, we'll just go ahead and launch this product. I would also like to introduce to you the project team structure. So I divided team members by groups, and I just thought this would facilitate the communication between each of us, because we can just identify ourselves in each group. So the project management group is gonna have myself as a project manager and Susan, who's director of product. Susan's input is very important to us in terms of which features are a must in a product and which features we can compromise. And the marketing team will have Jaweed, who is the marketing manager, and Steve, who is the senior marketing analyst. There are going to be more lower level employees on the marketing team conducting specific marketing analysis, data analysis work. And the business development team is going to be led by Chad, who is the business development manager, with help from our local YouTube teams in each region. And the risk team is led by Katie, who is the project risk manager. And the software engineering team is led by Taylor, who is the engineering manager in charge of software quality, and Michelle, who is the lead engineer, and she's going to lead a team of software engineers completing the channel integration on YouTube TV software. Here is a project communication plan that I developed. So I would like to point out that I encourage all communications to occur within the group. And if you need to communicate across departments, please do it through the project management team, the project management group, because we have a really tight schedule, and we have relative priorities between specific tasks, and only the project management team is aware of the relative priorities of these tasks. So if you have an escalation issue, please raise it to the project management team first before directly contacting another group. And every week I'm going to ask for weekly updates from each project group that has ongoing tasks for that week. Here's a template for the project status report. When you send the weekly report, please send on behalf of the group and send it to me and copy all of the other groups. I would also like to point out that we have a formal change request form, which is in this format, and a detailed task list will be sent to you after this meeting. If you, throughout the course of this project, if you think there's need to change anything of the project, please fill out this form and submit on behalf of your group and email it to me. I will get back to you after one business day after consulting the management team. So that wraps up my presentation. If you have any questions, please talk to me after this meeting. I'll be around for another 20-30 minutes, and I'll be distributing your kickoff meeting minutes to everyone who attended this meeting. I really, really appreciate your attendance today and your interest in this project and your support for this project. So this is the kickoff meeting, and the project officially starts now, and I am very excited to working with all of you on this project.